There's a time and place for tea. Now leave!
We are far too busy.
Surely my idea is better.
Mine's better because it's simple.
Simple will bore our audience. We want something intriguing, not boring.
Boring? What about a gripping rivalry between two artists? One an aspiring creator, the other a felonious imitator who's trying to bring shame to the display of flesh. That is recreation.
Yes, but what about a story about a boy flickered in a dark dimension full of creatures that mimic themselves, called believers, who can fracture reality and create weapons out of thin air? The boy and survivors of this dimension try to escape an escapeless escape room. Boom. Pure, utter genius.
That's actually
No.
You call mine simple when you come up with the most impossible ideas known to man. I'm thinking, keep it simple, as you say, but add a plot twist at the end. Maybe two clones are controlling the other phony artists, forcing them to become more successful. Now you're just rushing this. You're trying to come up with something that won't even work.
Look at them go. Stupid, really. Both their ideas are good. They won't let one another speak.
You're right. If only the executive could shut them both up and make a decision.
Look, what we have here is really good, but
Shush, we're trying to concentrate. Now look, I'm Sarah. I'm trying to tell you that people don't care for simple, uninteresting stories. Everyone wants to watch exaggerated abstract films. Who's everyone? You think I want to go home and watch someone get their head ripped off? Yeah, great film to watch when you're stressed. Oh yeah? People definitely want to go home and watch a film about two people fighting. That's boring as anything.
Shut up.
What? What about your film idea?
I could have just recorded you two arguing. It's so frustrating listening to you and your annoying voices.
But she won't listen to my story. You mean you won't listen to mine? My story is a phenomenal Oscar-winning piece. How could you not want it? I'm tired of this. Your story's too much and too complicated. We haven't even finished.
It used to be for both games.
Ready?
Quiet on set. Cameras rolling. Scene 1, take 1, shot 8. Action. My role was being a director and a scriptwriter.
My role in making this film was being a cinematographer.
Cut. We used a frame within a frame, and we put a character in the door frame, and after discussing with Harry, we took a shot through the handle of a mug.
The challenge that I faced was doing the 180 degrees camera shot, even though the tripod was very unsteady, but I got through it and succeeded. People who inspired me was the director and Paul and Sarah.
I was an actress. I played character 1.
Rolling.
Scene 1, take 4, shot 9.
My role in the film was an actress. I played character 2, also known as Sarah. A challenge was learning all my lines before shooting, and I overcame it by trying to learn my lines.
I played the tea chap and I did some behind the scenes films.
Probably remembering big paragraphs of lines, especially when they're not really like stuff that you normally say.
I am doing the editing. After the film is done, it goes into post-production, where I am putting all the scenes together after the cinematographer films them. The brilliant sound editor records all the sound. I managed to put the sound, the audio, the clips all together, try to intercut them, make them look nice. That's my job. Without editing, you don't have a movie, so lucky I'm here.